Hey guys, I'm standing in front of our truck, the one that the birds really like to build a nest in. Well, the question of the day, did the hot sauce work for the nest to keep the birds away? No, it did not. That was another internet epic fail. So I guess Bob is going to have to park the truck at the barn for the next several days and hope that those pesky little birds stay away. Just wanted to let you know that spraying hot sauce and vinegar in the grill does not work for stopping birds. You guys have a great day.